Okay, hello there guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as you can see on your screen now, I have 20 rare player packs and we're going to be opening up those. And if you don't know how to get them, you go on Squad Builder Challenges, click live, go on Gold Upgrade, and then all you have to do, I'll show you here, so they all have to be gold players, pretty much. Rare gold player, you need 1, minimum of 1. Team chemistry must be minimum of 90. And numbers of player in the squad, exactly 11, obviously. The way I do this is I just put either a full nationality team or a full league team. So like say I'd done a full Spanish team, that would give you a full, like let's say, Premier League team. So yeah, let's get into the first pack. There is also the same, like, sort of thing, but there's special packs, like, that I'll show you quickly. Look, there's a special one where you can just pause the video and read what they say. And then, oh yeah, if I go on my club, I done one of the special ones. And I got this player, Rude Hullet. So, yeah, let's carry on opening the packs then. And what you need is you need one special player to get a special pack, and I don't have any duplicate special players. So I want to try and get like a duplicate inform or something in these 20. If you see like the black lines come out, I think that's when you get an inform. But the black lines can also mean a icon. Yes, that was the word. I was thinking of legend, but this year they're not called legends, they're called icons for some reason. We haven't even had a showcase player yet. We've already opened 6. Still no showcase player. Schmaltzer. Okay, here's a showcase player. New, Italian centre mid, Juventus. Marquisio, yes. What stats does he have? All above 70, that's decent for a centre mid. Alright, another showcase. Oh, who's this, Pepe? Yeah, Pepe. And Insigne we got in that pack as well, I saw. Okay, Brazilian left back, no one really good. Alex Telles. No showcase. I want to try and get a walkout or any special card in these last 9, I think. Yeah, in the last 9. A walkout or any special card. Parolo. Yeah. Still. Right, Spanish centre mid. So, yeah, Bernat. Who's this next player? Striker Italian. Eder. Right. Oh, we got an inform. Or is it an icon? Oh, guys, we just pulled an icon. No. Brazilian. Oh, it's Roberto Carlos. That is a nice icon. Get in. Yes, guys. Leave a like for that. 90 pace. 81 shot. 81 shot for a left back. Jesus. Roberto Carlos. Oh my god, we got Suarez in the same pack. Oh, dude. I'm going to save this pack and call it Icon and Suarez. That is an insane pack. Oh yes, I got 2 icons now. Guys, you've got to leave a like for that pack. That was an insane pack. I see what, I'm glad we weren't getting those showcases. It was just all saving up on that one pack. Literally, we got Suarez and Roberto Carlos. It could have been Pele, it could have been Ronaldo, but still, it's only my second icon, so I don't really mind this Roberto Carlos. Okay, we got a showcase. Is it Jimenez? Okay. Could have been Godin, but then I realised Godin would be a walkout. Okay, last player of the day. We get Danny Welbeck. And actually, I have 141k. I've realised, guys, that it's best not to open 81 plus player packs because they don't really give you. They give you 81 plus players, but I don't know if you can get like walkouts or icons or anything. So I open up the 35k packs, which are all rare player packs. Oh, showcase. Who's this? Bailly. I don't know how you say his name. It's either like Bailey or Bailly. Last one of the day. Leave a like and we'll get an inform. Or not then. But American left mid, it's Johnson. Yep. Right, okay. That's decent. Oh, guys, look at the top left. Literally, I'm so close to level 4. I'm going to do 1 gold upgrade one and see if it can get me to level 4. I'm going to see if I have enough players to do a Serie A one. I believe I do. Not even all the players have to be in the right positions, guys. Yeah, and for this, just choose your lowest rated players. Because they don't, only one player in the whole team needs to be only one player in the whole team needs to be very rare. So yeah. Oh yes, we hit level 4, guys. Hit level 4. Yeah, comment down below what actually happens when you get when you level up. So this is last pack of the day. Okay, it's terrible. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. I'll be back tomorrow with another one, and for now, see ya.